Please subscribe, and you can download this code from description below. Accessing local files in a Python Jupyter Notebook while connected via SSH using VS Code involves a few steps. Here's a step-by-step tutorial with code examples to guide you through the process. First, make sure you have the Remote-SSH extension installed in Visual Studio Code. You can install it from the Extensions view, Ctrl+Shift+X. Open the VS Code command palette, Ctrl+Shift+P, and select Remote-SSH, connect to host. Choose the host you added earlier. Open a terminal in VS Code, Ctrl+. Install Jupyter on the remote server if not already installed. Start a Jupyter Notebook server. Copy the URL provided in the terminal, and paste it into your local browser to access the Jupyter Notebook. Now, let's create a Jupyter Notebook and access local files. Create a new Jupyter Notebook in VS Code. In a Jupyter cell, use the following code to access local files. Replace /path/to/your/local/file.txt with the actual path of your local file. Remember to adjust file paths and permissions according to your setup. This tutorial assumes that your local file is accessible from the remote server. With these steps, you should be able to access local files in a Jupyter Notebook while connected via SSH using VS Code. ChatGPT. Accessing local files in a Python Jupyter Notebook while connected via SSH using VS Code involves a few steps. This tutorial will guide you through the process, providing code examples along the way. To access local files, you can use the SSHFS tool to mount a local directory on the remote server. Replace user, your_local_machine_IP, /path/to/local/directory, and /path/to/mount/point/on/remote/server with your specific information. Ensure that SSHFS is installed on both your local machine and the remote server. By following these steps, you can seamlessly access and manipulate local files within a Jupyter Notebook on a remote server using VS Code and SSH. ChatGPT.